What's up, YouTube? Back again. I'm here hoping to save you guys some time if you have the issue that I had when I started. So I wasted probably almost a day trying to get a program to download to my Onefinity CNC machine. So I downloaded it onto a USB drive, and no matter what I did, I could not get it onto the machine. So I tried different file formats, different ways of saving it, you name it, I tried it. Nothing was working. Well, what it ended up being was, I think I bought a 64 gigabyte USB drive, and I guess that was too big. It was too much for the Onefinity to be able to download. So I ended up buying a little 16 gigabyte USB drive, and that fixed my problem. So yeah, hopefully this will save you guys some time. Hopefully you don't spend a day trying to figure out what the problem is. It could just be that your USB drive is too big, too many gigabytes. Just shoot for a smaller one. I've got two 16 gigabyte USB drives. They both work great. So hopefully that saves you guys some time. Thanks for tuning in. Follow along and we will do some more cool stuff. See ya.